Welcome to Stowe High School's first virtual open house and curriculum expo. We wish we could have all of you in the school to experience a day in the life of your student, walk the hallways, visit classrooms, and meet your students' teachers. Our hope with our virtual open house is to give you a feel for what our school offers, put faces to names of our wonderful faculty and staff, highlight our diverse curricular offerings, flexible pathway opportunities, extracurricular activities, and much more. If your family is new to Stowe High School or your student is a ninth grader, welcome to our wonderful school community. We hope your student is enjoying SHS. I'd like to start our open house with an overview of our academics. Our mission and focus is grounded in three key areas: construct, express, and act. We want all of our students to be able to construct meanings and respond to complex situations using sound reasoning and creative thinking. We want our students to be able to express ideas accurately and creatively and effectively to a variety of audiences. And we also want our students to be able to act upon their rights and obligations as informed, respectful individuals and citizens of a democratic and interdependent society. When we discuss our curriculum with you and your student, you will hear us talk a lot about proficiencies as well as scholarly habits. All of our courses are aligned with many specific proficiencies that identify the learning objectives or targets for students. Many proficiencies are assessed throughout the school year and focus on the knowledge and skills we feel students need to successfully demonstrate in order to graduate from SHS. These proficiencies and learning targets are content specific and developed based on a progression of learning. The proficiencies are separate from our scholarly habits, which focus more on transferable skills we want all students to be able to develop. Our scholarly habits include such skills as perseverance, having a growth mindset, therefore being able to problem solve, the ability to reflect and make adjustments based on those reflections, and to be able to collaborate. So their ability to think critically, effectively communicate, and actively engage and listen with their peers. When you look at our learning management system, or Schoology as it's called, you will see scores for course proficiencies and scores for scholarly habits. Course scores for each quarter are indicated by letter codes, and a final numeric course score will only be indicated on reports at the end of a semester for semester courses, or at the end of a year-long, or at the end of the year for a year-long course. Courses, their scores are based on a 1 to 5 scale. SHS offers a diverse range of academically rigorous learning opportunities, including many flexible pathways to help our students meet our graduation requirements. In addition to the core courses offered in English, math, social studies, and science, which you will hear more about later from all of our faculty, students also have the ability to take many elective courses, including advanced and AP classes, world languages in Chinese, French, Spanish, band, chorus, art classes such as photography, graphic design, ceramics, studio art, fine metals, and STEAM. Students can also carry out independent studies, take dual enrollment courses, take online courses, pursue early college, and engage in an internship. Learning doesn't only happen in our classrooms. Here at SHS, we not only pride ourselves on our academics, but also on our extracurricular activities available to our students. We have a fantastic athletics program, and our students are actively involved in student design clubs such as the Spirit Club, Racial Equity Alliance, Environmental Club, Student Leadership, Gay Straight Alliance, and many, many more. In addition to our strong academics and student activities, our school develops strong relationships with our students through our advisory program. Advisory allows our students to be part of a smaller community within our larger community. All of our advisories are organized by grade level, and students stay with their faculty advisor throughout their 4 years at SHS. This 4-year relationship is highly valued and is celebrated during a student's senior year with a celebration of learning and growth called Anagnoresis. Anagnoresis does have 5 focus areas that go deeper with our mission of construct, express, and act. Students will provide a demonstration of learning as they reflect on their 4 years in the areas of problem solving, communication, decision-making, service and citizenship, and initiative. I really hope that you enjoy our virtual open house and learn a lot from our teachers, which are coming up next. Thank you so much for tuning into our virtual open house and curriculum expo, and I hope you have a great evening.
I'm here to introduce myself to all the Stowe High School families. My name is Marianne Howe. I'm the administrative assistant here at Stowe High School. I've been with Stowe High School for 21 years. I'm here to assist the students and the teachers with anything they may need, and I hope someday I get to meet you and introduce myself.
So I'm Anna, and I'm the secretary, and I'm here to help the families and students with questions that they may have. And so you can find me over here in this little corner.
My name is Janet Godden. I am the LNA here at the Stowe Middle School and High School through LSUU. It's my privilege to be able to take care of and have concerns for your children here at Stowe High School. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to come and contact me. I'm right by the door as you come in, and it's my pleasure. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Heather Hoffman. I teach 9th grade, 10th grade, and 12th grade English.
Hi, I'm Karen Schnee, and I teach 9 and 11 English.
Hi, Hunter Haig. I teach film as literature, creative writing, and drama and performance.
Hi, I'm Jen Childress. I'm the literacy coach for both the middle and high school. I work with teachers and small groups of kids.
Hi, I'm John Kennedy. I teach 12th grade English and advanced literature.
I'm Mrs. Horton, and I teach geometry to mostly freshmen and sophomores. I teach pre-calculus, and I teach AP Advanced Stats.
And I'm Tegan Guerin, and this year I'm teaching calculus, advanced calc, stats, and algebra 2.
Hi, how's it going? We're still a little science meeting here. So, just wondering, as we look at these different artifacts here and organisms, just yourself, would you let our audience know, how would you maybe categorize these, like through your lens of teaching? Why don't you tell them what they teach?
I'm Ethan Self. I'm the environmental science teacher here at Stowe High School. And because I'm always interested about humans interacting with ecosystems, I would maybe look at the levels of different trace chemicals that might be dangerous to humans in different trophic systems. So we have our sponge, base of the food system, nice little shrew, maybe a primary producer, and then something a little bit more complex.
Oh, so Sarah, why don't you introduce yourself from the physics or chemistry world? What would you do?
So I'm John Paul Lavoie, and so I teach the physics and chemistry classes. I'm going a totally different direction. Forces in motion, one of the key things that we spend a lot of time with. I'm like putting these in a trebuchet and launching them, and we're going to see if we can, calculate the kind of trajectory, see if we can nail down which one has the most air friction, and we're gonna get into that. Sounds fun to me.
Awesome, and I'm Ms. Wells. I am the earth science and bio teacher, so clearly two different things, from the earth science perspective. I don't know, like astronomy is really what we're into right now. I don't know where these guys fit into astronomy. We could kind of get an idea of, where you guys, go with the different things like that. Bio, definitely. We actually did a lab with these guys already. What is life? I mean, they all look pretty dead right now, I know, but clearly there's some things that make these guys all living and all come together. So, life, cells, all these things, sun and astronomy and earth science, as well as plate tectonics and a little bit of weather. So, there's a lot of science in this room, and we're psyched to meet you guys soon.
Hi there, I'm Roger Murphy. I am the SHINE coordinator. SHINE stands for the Stowe High Internship Experience. And my job is to connect students with employers in the area for meaningful learning opportunities that will help students to make some decisions about their careers, things they want to study, paths they might choose to take in life. And the program's been around for a couple of years, and we are COVID friendly and up and running, and students are starting to do some internships this year already. So come on and stop by.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin Lipple. I'm the athletic director for the middle school and the high school. So this year's been pretty unique, as you guys all know, for fall sports, but I just want to say that our student athletes have done a tremendous job this year, following all protocols that we need to make sure that we have a safe season this fall. And just breaking news, our golf team just won the state championship yesterday, so pretty exciting for Raider Nation. And yeah, looking forward to the rest of this year. I'm sure it's going to be unique and challenging, but you know, I know our students are up for it, and our staff, and we've done a tremendous job. So go Raiders!
Hi, I'm Joe Ulicki, Mr. Ulicki, and I teach middle and high school PE and health. And so this year, obviously we have some restrictions, but for the high schoolers, the classes are meeting me in the gym still, and then we transition outside for class. And when we have nice days like today, we're taking advantage outside. Start of the year, doing a lot of walking on the track and on our trails, which are really nice to have here on campus. And now I moved on to some pickleball with all my classes. It's been really, really fun. Kids have taken it seriously and played some really good games, which is really enjoyable, and just trying to stay creative and ahead of protocols and make sure we're doing everything safe. But so far so good, and the kids' energy has been awesome. And then as things get a little bit nastier weather-wise, we'll be back inside doing health lessons inside and seeing what other PE offerings we can do from inside the gym too. But so far so good. Thanks to all the kids for coming and being excited about class, and hoping for a good year.
Hi, Mr. Waits. STEAM class, also design tech ed in the middle school. Come on in. Your time in this classroom is filled with exciting times. We do a lot of virtual design, CAD modeling using SketchUp software. Allows us to communicate with the 3D printer we have over here. We also have a laser cutter, creates designs in wood, cardboard, all sorts of neat examples of that. We also have a vinyl cutter that allows us to make stickers, decals, that sort of thing. We've got a great workspace, another 3D printer in the back of the room as you work in. I look really forward to having you spend some time in the classroom.
Hello, I'm Miss Anthony, and I teach ceramics. This is where the magic happens. We have a lot of creativity, we get messy, we have fun, we learn about other artists. And this is where it all happens.
Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be?
Hi, I'm Kate Krause, one of the high school art teachers. This year I'm teaching advanced studio art, photography, and yearbook. This is my space, where your student is allowed to express themselves and experiment with a variety of media. We have so much fun in here. I hope that I get to see you in person soon. Yeah. Hit back after second hour, then I will know if you're gonna be my special
Hi, look at a visitor.
Oh wow, that's so fun. Welcome.
Welcome to music. My name's Mr. Gagnon, and I teach instrumental music here in the Stowe schools.
And my name is Miss Chris, and I teach choral music here at Stowe Middle High School.
This is pretty much what we do during a pandemic.
It's totally normal.
We're really excited to work with you.
Yay!
6, 7, 8.
Hi, I'm Billy Mays.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
My name.
I'm David Davis. I'm David Davis. I'm David Davis.
I'm Galen Chutter Ames.
Anastasia Schaefer.
And I teach 10th grade world history, U.S. history, and advanced U.S. history, as well as history seminar.
I teach advanced world history, history seminar, and advanced United States history.
I'm new here at Stowe. I'm teaching world history to 9th graders and psychology to 11th and 12th graders. I'm really happy to be a part of this great and incredible community. Oh, I need to take, that's for cut. Thank you.